Hi, I'm Kim Gennardo from Sensus Asylum brand, and joining me is Jason Christensen.
Hey, Kim.
Hi there.
Good to see you again.
Good to see you too. Thank you. Jason is Park City, Utah's Water Resources Manager, a very valued customer for us. Thank you for joining me.
Absolutely.
Wanted to ask you what challenge Sensus Asylum brand helped Park City solve.
Yeah, absolutely. So Park City is a mountainous community, and we have about 50 PRVs in our system. And most of those PRVs aren't actively monitored. We have to roll a truck out once a month. We send a worker to go take a look at it. And for all that effort, we really gain one data point, how that PRV was operating when our guy was out there. And what Sensus and Xylem were able to do with us was they were able to leverage, we're an existing AMI customer, and they were able to help us leverage that existing AMI network to install a smart gateway, a device to read a 4 to 20 milliamp pressure sensor. And we could begin sampling those PRVs remotely, sending that data back, and we went from having one data point a month to around 9,000 data points a month on those PRVs, which really helps us better operate our system and better understand what's going on out there.
Yeah, I can hear the operational efficiency. That's what I was getting towards, right? So tell me though, ultimately, it helps you operate more efficiently as a utility, but what does the Sensus Smart Gateway and Pressure Profile actually do to help Park City water users?
You know, I think our customers are interested in a couple things, but I think primarily they're interested in making sure that the water turns on when they turn it on.
Right.
And they're making sure that we're providing that water in the most cost-effective way possible. We're a local government entity. We want to be efficient. We want to respect the money that the community is providing us. And I think the Smart Gateway helps us do both those things. By adding additional data points from our PRVs, we're able to get indications of when there's a problem out there and hopefully address those indications of a problem before it blossoms into an outage. So that helps us reduce outages out in the system. And then by having all that additional data, we're better able to just manage our network and hopefully extend the life of that network and reduce the stress on our pipes, which results in cost savings for us as a utility and for our customers.
For the taxpayers as well. Okay. So what do you think a smart utility network of the future is going to look like? You guys are already ahead. You're using a lot of cool applications, but what's to come?
You know, it's really exciting to think about what's to come because that's the fun stuff. It gets you out of your day in, day out routine, and you get to think, what could I really do? And for Park City, I think the future looks like a combining of two major systems that we have. We have our SCADA system, which is gathering a lot of data for us. And we have our AMI network, which is gathering great customer information for us. It provides data for the customer portal. But those two systems have rarely talked to each other, and we're looking to join those systems together. And that way we know where we're producing water, where it's moving through the system, where it's being consumed by our users, and where there's a difference in the math there so that we can focus our energy and resources on finding that difference. Usually it's some kind of a leak, some kind of water loss, and if we're able to address that more quickly, that saves our residents money.
Who doesn't like that, right?
Absolutely.
Jason, thank you so much for joining us on this Customer Spotlight. We appreciate your time.
My
Thank
pleasure,
you.
Kim.